Okay, so I bought even more Philips Hue lamps. One more starter kit because it's the same cost as 3 separate lamps actually. So I bought the starter kit because then I get a remote control and a Hue bridge that I can use as a reserve to those I already have. And I also bought a Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. So I will unbox these and then later on set this up in my home. So let's start with the starter kit. Let's unbox this. Same box as always, as you can see. No difference there. So supports Apple Homekit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Google Nest, Samsung Smart Things. Here we have the Hue bridge that you need to connect this to your home network. And here we have the remote control. This is my third actually now. And here we have the lamps, the light bulbs, the smart light bulbs. And here we have really terrible instructions. Philips don't know how to do instructions actually. And here then we have some cables for the Hue bridge. As you can see, we have the cable, power cable, and we have different plugs for different European countries, and the power cable, and also a Ethernet cable. But I will not use this because I already have a Philips Hue bridge, but this is good to have in reserve. And here we have the light bulbs. We have seen them before in my videos. 16 million colors, ambience, you can dim them and so on. That's what's in this box. So now let's see the Lightstrip, 2 meter long Lightstrip Plus. I have never used one of these, so this is the first unboxing of this. Same Philips Hue box as everything else, as you can see. Here we have the Lightstrip itself, 2 meter long with a 3M double-sided tape. And here we have the connector to the Lightstrip. And here we have the power plug for the connector. And here we have different plugs. I live in Sweden, Europe, so this is the one I will use. Like that. And this one I'll never use, so let's remove that. So the power plug, that should be into this one, as you can see. And the rest should be mounted, for example, on the backside of a TV or backside of a furniture. let's remove this. And as you can see, it's 2 meters long. It actually is not long enough for the furniture. I will use this one, but it will be enough for the middle of the TV furniture. So that's it. Okay, so my plan is to mount this Philips Hue Lightstrip on the back side of this TV bench. And as you can see, it will go all the way back here on the top of the bench. As you can see, you really need to be careful when you remove these tape strips, because you have they will be loose on the light strip itself when you are not careful, because they are very badly made, some parts of it, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so now the Philips Hue Lightstrip is mounted on the TV bench, as you can see. Pretty cool. So, as you can see, it's on the top on the bench, because I want to have the light go up off the wall too. Looks nice. As you can see, it doesn't go the whole way here, because the light strip is only 2 meters, but I think that's enough, because it's the same on both sides, as you can see. I also mounted the connector here. Looks very nice. So now I will clean up and we will see how it looks when it's finished. Okay, so here it is when it's on the right place, the whole TV bench. Looks really nice, as you can see. And of course I can change the colors, 16 million colors. Looks really nice. So let's see how it looks when it syncs with the TV and the 2 lamps on the side of the TV. So 2 of the Philips Hue lamps, light bulbs, is in this floor lamp. Really cool. And here we have the Philips Hue Lightstrip again. Looks really nice. And here we have the 3rd Philips Hue light bulb in the starter kit. Looks really cool. And once again you see the light strip on the back of this TV bench. Okay, so here we have the Philips Hue Sync app on the Android TV box that syncs the Philips Hue Lightstrip now and the 2 lamps at the side, as you can see. Works great. The app I use for Light Sync, Philips Hue Light Sync, is called Hue Stream, and it's available for Android TV operating system. Works great. And you have you can place your lights exactly how you want and so on. Works great. And you have different sensitivity and brightness boost and all that. Okay, bye.